Hey guys, welcome to WeBe Autos. We have an amazing car here today. It's a 1967 Camaro Convertible with a big block in it. The car is a monster. It's got a monstrous 502. I got Don here. He's going to tell us a little bit about it. Hey Don.
It's a 502. It has a Chris Olson front chassis.
Okay.
With a coil-over suspension and tubular arm control arms. Has rack and pinion steering. It has power disc brakes all the way around.
Yep.
Disc brakes. Has a MSD ignition system. It has a Ford 9-inch rear with a 373 gear ratio, positive traction. It has a coil-over rear exhaust. Coil-over rear suspension.
Yeah.
Has a new gas tank, new undercarriage. The car's been on a frame off restoration. Has reclining seats, aluminum radiator. Basically, the car is an excellent riding car. It handles phenomenal because of the coil-over
suspension, right?
Yeah, that's fantastic.
Pretty car, Don. Really nice.
Very fast.
Well, thanks for checking us out today. My name is Michael from WeBe Autos. You can contact us directly at 516-729-2003. Thanks a lot.